Hi everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a French press coffee. So this is a French press and I think it's one of the best ways you can make coffee at home. There's a few ways you can do it. You can get an espresso machine, you can do a pour over, but a French press is super convenient, super fast, and it's so simple to use. It was invented in the 18th century by an architect who invented this toilet plunger. So pretty much you'd put the grinds in and then you push the filter down and it separates the grinds from the coffee that you're drinking. So the first thing you want to do is get your French press ready, and depending on what kind of French press you have, you're going to fill it with the coarsely ground coffee into the glass part in here. So for mine, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons straight into here. Now once it's in, you're going to want to get hot water. I like to have mine just below boiling, so put it in the microwave for 2 minutes is what I usually do. So you're going to slowly pour it in and swirl it around and make sure to get all the coffee beans saturated with the hot water. You're going to go just an inch below the top of the thing. Try to line it up with the metal bar at the top. So when you're done that, you're going to put the lid on and wait for 3 minutes so it can fully saturate itself. Alright, so it's been a few minutes, my timer went off, and I think my coffee's ready. I can tell that it's ready, it's a lot darker, I can't see through it as easily, and now we're going to start the pressing of the French press. So what you do is hold on to the top and slowly push down. Patience is key, and you're pretty much separating the coffee grinds from the coffee, and you're emulsifying all the oils you just extracted from the grinds into the water. If you go too fast, you'll spill it and you won't actually emulsify. As I said, it was invented by an architect. It's actually a very complicated process that I just know you go slowly. Now, as you can see, the coffee on the top is a lot darker than the stuff on the bottom. This is because we're pressing like all the juice out of the coffee grinds down here. So I'm at the bottom, and now my coffee is ready to go. I try to pour it right away because the coffee grinds will continue to seep into the water and it'll get very bitter, and that's not good. So it's ready to pour. I like to have my coffee iced. Straight in it goes. And that's your coffee. So as you can see, all you're gonna have to do is take the lid out and give it a quick rinse. Throw this stuff out in the garbage, and it's so easy to clean. The benefit of using French press is that it's super easy to clean. You don't have to use a filter or anything, so it's environmentally friendly, and it makes it so fast. The French press gives it a very strong flavor, and you'll actually get the most caffeine out of using a French press than pretty much any other method that you can make at home. A few tips to do when making French press. If you like to have your coffee hot, they recommend that you fill it up with hot water and let the French press preheat before you put the grinds in and everything. And you can also put hot water into whatever cup you're using so it stays hot as well. Another tip is to count to 30 when you're doing the press of the French press. That makes sure you get the emulsification of the coffee and all the oils in it. And other than that, you're ready to go. Cheers.